I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to start a new topic, which is logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Find the value of log of 10 to the base 0.01. Let's do this. Log of 10 to the base 0.01. Here we actually have to refer to a formula, which is let's say we write log of a to the base b, then that will be equal to 1 by log of b to the base a. That means ultimately the positions of a and b are getting interchanged when we apply this formula. We are going to apply the similar thing over here. This can be written as 1 by log of 0.01 to the base 10. That can be written as equal to 1 by log of 0.01 is nothing but 1 by 100. 1 by 100 to the base 10. One by 100 is nothing but 1 by 10 squared, because 100 is 10 squared. 1 by log of 1 by 10 squared to the base 10. 1 by 10 squared can be expressed as log of 10 to the power of minus 2 to the base 10. Another formula which can be used here is using a, b, and n. Let's see what we can do. Log of, let's say, log of a to the power of n, that means n is the exponent of a over here. Log of a to the power of n to the base b is actually equal to n into log of a to the base b. This is another formula which we are going to use here. That means this can be written as 1 by minus 2 into log of 10 to the base 10 to the base 10. This is not a part. Separated out. Yes. Again, over here we can refer to another thing. If it's log of a number to the base of that number, like log of a to the base a is equal to 1. This is another thing which we can refer to over here. Log of 10 to the base 10 gives us 1. This is equal to 1 by minus 2 into 1. That is equal to minus half. That is the value of log of 10 to the base of 0.01. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. If log of x to the base 10 equal to a, log of y to the base 10 equal to b, and log of z to the base 10 equal to 2a minus 3b, then express z in terms of x and y. Let's do this. It's really simple. First, we have to express each thing as an exponent of 10. Here, in the first case, log of x to the base 10 equal to a. That implies that 10 to the power of a is equal to x. That's our first derivation. Next, log of y to the base 10 equal to b. That implies that 10 to the power of b is equal to y. Lastly, log of z to the base 10 is equal to 2a minus 3b. That implies that 10 to the power of 2a minus 3b is equal to z. Now we have to get z in terms of x and y, and z is nothing but 10 to the power of 2a minus 3b, then let's work with that. This is nothing but 10 to the power of 2a by 10 to the power of 3b. Because we are referring to a formula over here, p, if we consider p to the power of m minus n is equal to p to the power of m by p to the power of n. We referred to that formula itself, and we got this. This can be expressed as 10 to the power of a whole squared by 10 to the power of b whole cube, because p to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to p to the power of mn. That means product. Referring to that, we can write this, but there must be a question in your mind. We can also write like 10 squared whole to the power of a, but yes, we can write that, and even for this one, we can write vice versa, but it is not going to help us because we have the values of 10 to the power of a and 10 to the power of b, which are x and y. That helps us. Then that's going to be equal to 10 to the power of a is x, so x squared by 10 to the power of b, which is y, x squared by y cubed. That is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.